Hello everyone. This is Tejashwini from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today my topic is about principles of programming. First topic in it is structure of C programming. In the left side you can clearly see the structure of the C program. This is the main structure of the C program and here goes the example of it. Simple example is like hello world. Yeah. Next topic is quadratic equation. Here goes the programming example of quadratic equation. From this example, we can print the real roots, equal roots and imaginary roots of the quadratic equation. Next, while loop. Definition of the while loop goes like the statement is typically used in situations where it is not known in advance how many iterations are required. Syntax of it is while condition statement body. This is the simple definition of the while loop. This is the flowchart of it. Here goes the example. Next is do while loop. Definition of the do while loop is the terminating condition in the for and while loops is always tested before the body of the loop is executed. So of course the body of the loop may not be executed at all. In the do while statement, on the other hand, the statement body is always executed at least once as the condition is tested at the end of the body of the loop. This is the simple syntax of do while loop. And this is the flowchart of it. Here goes the example of it. Our next topic is formatted input output statement. Firstly, formatted input output statements is nothing but printf and scanf. C language supports only two formatting functions, that is printf and scanf. Yeah. First, let us know about printf. Printf statement is used to read something in the output. So, we'll basically use the printf. The printf function stands for printing format. It is used to display information required by the user and also print the value of the variables. For this, the print function takes data values, converts them to a text stream using formatting specifications in the control string, and passes the resulting text stream to the standard output. The control string may contain 0 or more conversion specifications, textual data, and control character to be displayed. And this is the simple syntax of the printf, and this is the only syntax for the printf. Control string comma variable list. This is the example of it. As you can see, what the words or what is the sentence that we give in the printf, that is only taken as output main thing. So yeah. Now let us know about scanf. Scanf function stands for scan formatting and it is used to read formatted data from the keyboard. The scanf function takes a text stream from the keyboard, extracts and formats data from the stream according to a format control string, and then stores the data in specified program variable. The syntax of the scanf function can be given as. So this is the syntax of the scanf. Scanf control string comma argument 1 comma argument 2 and so on up to argument n. This is the syntax of scanf and example of it. Int num scanf of percentage %d comma and num. This is the programming example for printf and scanf. Three differences of functions. Functions in C can be categorized into four types based on the argument passed and the value returned. So, functions can be classified into four types based on arguments and value returned. Like, observe carefully: functions with argument and a return value, functions with arguments but no return value, functions with no arguments but a return value, functions with no arguments and no return value. Like easily we can remember this. Next, three like functions declarations. A function declaration tells the compiler about the function's name, parameters, and return type. It also outlines how the function should be used. It used to tell the compiler what a function looks like before it's used, and it's especially useful when a project uses multiple files. Function prototypes. A function prototype is a declaration of a function that specifies its name, parameters, and return type. It does not contain the function body. Purpose. Function prototypes acts as a contract between the function definition and its callers. They inform the compiler about the function's input or output interface so the compiler can cross check function signatures before invoking them. So, our next and last topic here goes pointers. Pointers in C are the variables that stores the memory address of another variable. Here, pointer holds the memory address of another variable, but pointer itself have an address. So, yeah, it goes on like that. It has its address and another thing as then another address, like that it goes on. Syntax. Pointer, main thing we can understand easily is if a pointer is present anywhere in a program, we use star symbol. Syntax. Star type value, variable name. Ampersand symbol is used to assign the variable to a pointer. So yeah, pointer definition we can easily remember, like pointer in C are variables that stores the memory address of another variable. Thanks for watching. Thank you.